Okay, so now, if I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
So now we go
Yes,
from
sir.
list to, right? From list to, I'm getting the values into the variables x, y, z. So this is called as multiple assignment trick that you can use with the list. But there is a one constraint. There is a one constraint with the this assignment. Okay, so what is that? See here now. If I write x comma y and then if I specify list 2. So since list 2 is having three data items, but here the receivers mean on the left hand side of the assignment we have only two variables. So then it is not going to do the multiple assignment. It will show the error message. Look at here. Too many values to unpack. Mean what it actually does is, so from the list it is going to unpack the data. That means it is going to take each item from the list and it is going to assign it to the variables given on the left hand side, right? So but is there is, as there are three elements, so but only two destinations are there, so that's why it is going to show you the error message. Though when you use multiple assignment trick with the list, you must match with the number of elements. The receivers must be matched with the number of elements in the list. Are you getting my point? Yes, very good. When I don't disable annotations, you'll start using this, right? Right. So likewise, if I go with x, y, z, comma p, then list 2. So then again, so since list 2 is having only three data items, but I am having four receivers, mean four destinations. So that is again going to show the error message. Not enough values to unpack. Mean expected 4, but got only 3 from the list. Right. So this way, see, you can do the multiple assignment, but you must sure that how many elements are there in the list, and that many destinations or receivers should have in the left hand side of the assignment operator, right? Are you getting this point?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
The next last
Yes,
operation
sir.
of this class, this is augmented assignment operators. So this is not basically with the list, you can do with the list, even with the normal variables also you can do this augmented operators, right? So what is this augmented operators? That is called a shorthand operator. In C also you might have learned these shorthand operators like plus equal, minus equal, multiplication equal. Here I have shown you. Okay, there are 5 shorthand operators, or we call it as augmented operators. Augmented is nothing but join. Augment is nothing but join. So plus followed by equal. Plus equal is together called as one operator. So minus equal, multiplication equal, division equal, percentile equal. So what exactly is this one? Here I shown you some examples. Like if I want to perform x equals to x plus 10, right? See, look at here. After assignment operator, if the same name appears as in left hand side of the assignment operator, then you can do with this augmented operator. Then you can use this augmented operator. So what I'm saying is, after assignment operator, if the same name appears as in left hand side of the assignment operator, then you can perform the augmentation. Operation. That is, this can be rewritten as x plus equals to 10. This is called a shorthand. So like this. Are you getting?
Sir.
Yes. See here, if I want to write, I will write x equals to 10. Then I can write, instead of writing x equals to x plus 10, right? So this way, what I can do here, I can write plus equals 10. So x equals to x plus 10 can be rewritten as x plus equal 10. So that you'll get 30 now, right? So 20 plus 10. So since recent x value is 20, so 20 plus 10 equals to 30. Right? But now you tell me, if I have x equals to y plus 10, can it be written with the augmented operator?
No, sir.
Not
No,
possible.
sir.
Why?
no,
Why
sir.
is not possible?
Y is not in. It's not specified.
So here, after assignment operator, look at here, after assignment operator, what I'm having here? Y. But which is not available before the assignment operator. The same name is not available before the assignment operator. So you can't do that augmentation operator. You can't use that augmented operator with the statement, with this statement, right? Are you getting? So like this,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
like
sir.
this,
Yes, sir.
x minus 10. So this can be rewritten as minus equal 10. So same thing it will do, x equals to x minus 10 only. So now if we see the value of x, it will be 10, because earlier I reduced it by 10 and the next step I reduced it by another 10. So it is this value is 10 now, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes, sir.
understand here, now try to understand. Suppose if I have a string in variable, then if I write s plus equal, right, plus equal, for example x y z, now what will be output? What will be the output? What will be the new value of s?
ABC, sir. Plus
XYZ.
Yes, plus equal xyz, s plus equal xyz, are written x plus s plus equal xyz, right? The current value of s is abc, and I'm doing the state, I'm executing the statement s plus equal xyz. What will be the new value of s?
ABCXYZ.
abc xyz.
String
Why?
concatenation.
Yes, why?
String concatenation.
concatenation, sir.
String
String
concatenation
concatenation.
mean, look at here, when you do this operation, augmentation operator or augmentation operation with the numbers, it is going to perform the addition. Plus operation is going to perform the addition. But when you do the same when you use the same operator with the string, then it is going to perform the concatenation. Now look at here.
Concatenation.
Yes. Likewise, you can do it with a list also. You can do with a list also. Like it. See, for example, list one. So first you check out what is there in list one. Yes, list one is having this value. Now I'll take a list one equals to list one plus, then I want to do concatenation of 90 comma 100, right? So if I do this, now list one will be updated with the values 90 100 at the end. Got it? Earlier content is 100 to 80, and the new content which has been concatenated is 90 and 100. So these two values are being added at the end of the list, right? Now the same operation can be rewritten something like this, right? Now I'll write 110 comma 120, right? Now two more values will be concatenated to the list one, and list one will be like this. Got it? So mean the plus operator with the numbers will work as a addition. The plus operator with the string will work as a concatenation, and the plus operator with the list will work as a concatenation of two lists. Did you get this one?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Similarly,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
have a star operator, multiplication operator. How about this multiplication operator? With the numbers, of course, it is multiplication. With the numbers, it is of course performing multiplication operation. But with the string, if I use this star operator, what will be? If I use star operator with the
Error,
string,
sir.
yes,
Error.
error, no, just
Replications.
replication, yes.
Replication.
No
Assignment.
replication.
Replication, multiplication operator will work with the string as a replicate operator. Similarly with the list, it will work as a replicating of list. Got it? So only plus and multiplication has got some special feature, but minus, division and modulus will work with only integers. They can't be used with the strings or can't be used with a list, right? So only plus and multiplication can be used with the string numbers as well as with the floating point values and with the list. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. Now do this programming assignment. Write the program for this one. Still 5 minutes is there, right? You write this simple script. Write a Python script to read name of the students and create a list until the user types in empty string. So we require looping here because as we need to read multiple names, right? And then we have to create a list by storing the names read from the user. When the user types in an empty string, means just enter button, simple enter button with no data. So then we have to stop the loop and we have to stop creating the list. Yes, do write this program. Turn on your video and do write this program. Achila is there. Amulya, Anuradha, Ashwini, Deepika, Divya, Jessica, Kirti, Malakshi, Muskan, Neha, Pooja, Purvi, Preeti, Razia, Rakshita, Rohan, Sadia, Saima, Samprita, Sana, Saida, Sharanaswa, Shweta, Smita, Sneha, Sudhakar, Sushmita, Vishala, Jackie. So Manikant is not there, Kashi is not there. Then who else? Ashwini Kumba is there?
Yes, sir.
Ashwini Kumba is there. Right, Divya, Ina Kausar. Today Ina Kausar is not there, right? Ina Kausar is not there, right? Then Kashinath is not there. Hmm. Then Purvi, TP. Purvi was there before, right now. Yes. TP, Rajia. Preeti. Yes. Then Rakshita is there. Ranjita. Ranjita absent for the second session. All right. Ranjita is absent. Asadya, Samprita. Has finished writing. Sana, Saida, Saravasu, Srinidhi, Srinidhi absent. Shweta, Miti is there. Smita, Choki, Sneha, Sudhakar, Sushmita, Vishal is there. Yeah, is there. Manikant is not there. Muskan, Saima is there. Sanam is there. Vanishri is not there. Right. Vanishri is not there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 53. Is finished writing?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Yes. Okay. Please show the program. Yes. First list empty, then int of input of enter the number of elements. Number of elements. Okay, for I in range of 0, 0. What is this 0, 0? It will stop here itself, no? So range of 0, 0 mean it will stop here itself, right? Okay, then element equals to int of input function list dot append of element print list. Okay, with correct, but check with this range. Okay, so 0, n it has to be. Okay, 0, n. Okay, to loop iterate through loop it so n you are reading n no number of elements, okay, so it has to go up to
Yes, sir.
n. Okay, others.
Now, sir. Correct, sir.
Yeah, it's correct, but the thing is like it's a program statement. Okay, Manjula, program statement is basically, look at here, basically to look Python script to read the name of the students and to create a list until the user types in empty string, right? So you should not read n and you have to read up to n. I mean, you have to you should not write a program to read n number of names from the user, right? That's not the way, because my program statement is to stop when the user types in an empty string. Okay, when the user types in an empty string, we have to stop. That means we have to write a loop that reads the data up to an empty string from the user. It reads we have to write a loop that reads the data from the user until the user types in empty string. But your program is working with the n number of data, but that's not the statement what I asked. Okay, try with that also. Yes, what about others? Hello, Dada, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
then tell me whether finished writing program or not. Yes, are you writing? Okay, so it's 11 to now. I'll stop. But so this assignment you have to submit by the end of the day to my WhatsApp number. I mean, in the group you can submit, or you can submit it to my personal WhatsApp. Okay, send me the code which you have done, so that if any corrections are there, then I'll correct those programs. Okay, by end of the day,
Okay, sir.
submit.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
right.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.